This is the jackpot. My uncle's grocery list from God knows how long ago. 1 fresh garlic. I don't know if that's number 1 or he needed 1. 1 granulette of powdered garlic. Okay, he needed a lot of garlic. 1 bag of onion. Forget it, I'm dead. 1 broccoli apple. Oh, 10 small. Up. I need a break. Artichoke. Oh boy. I think that's artichoke or large. All right, so I guess you just want the small large. What's that 2 bag of shit? Oh no, 2 biscuit mushroom. 2 eggplant. 2 grated cheese. 1 chigoria. 2 zucchini. 1 bag of potatoes. 6 blom tomato. And again with the blom. 1 broccoli. Yep. Okay. 1 cauliflower. 2, oh boy. 2 pack pork ground beef, not even beef, beef. I don't know what the 11s are for. Quotation box. I'm sure he didn't know quotation, so I don't know what that is. Chigana, tagliato. It means cut. I'm dead. 1/4 leg, 6 small tomato paste, 2 lungone, which probably should have been linguine. 2 rigatoni, 1 angel hair, 1 provolone galbani, 1 ricotta. Oh boy! And this is for the previous video. 1 black pepper. All right, I died. Gotta go.